Is math fluency really that important? I mean, does it really matter if students know the answer to 5 times 3? You can probably guess my answer by now. In this video, I'm going to answer the question of, is knowing your math facts really that important? / is it really important for us upper elementary teachers to teach math fact fluency to our students? This is a part of my weekly series called Math Minutes, where I answer some of your frequently asked questions. These questions come directly from you guys on my Instagram feed or from my Facebook group. I'd love to see you over there, by the way, on Instagram over at Math with Minis, or on Facebook at Upper Elementary Teacher Math PLC, or facebook.com/groups/Math with Minis. Hi, by the way, if you're new to me, my name is Brittany. I'm a teacher and the seller behind the Teachers Pay Teachers store, Math with Minis. If you're not new, then welcome back, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. It is not lost on me that you're spending your time and your energy watching these videos and learning more so that you can be a better teacher. I just want to commend you for that, and I appreciate you listening to what I say, because I really do want to put out content that helps you. And this is why I've made the Math Minutes mini show. So basically, how this works is I answer those questions. I try to answer them in under a minute or just as quick as I possibly can so you can move on to whatever that you need to do. And really I made this because there are so many teachers out there who are secretly searching for answers to these questions on Google because maybe they don't feel brave enough to ask their colleagues or admin, or maybe they just don't know where to look. And if that's your case, then I want to be that person for you. I want to be your new upper elementary teacher friend. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We're going to answer the question, how important is math fact fluency? Let's put a minute on the clock and let's go. Okay, so if you haven't already gone and watched the video that says what is considered math fact fluency, I highly recommend that you pause this video, open up that other one, and go watch that one first, because it's really important that we understand what math fact fluency is before we really understand how important it is. Math facts are foundational. You can think of math facts as decoding or phonemic awareness for reading. If you don't know that the letter C makes the sound K for cat, if you don't know that A makes the A sound and that T makes the T sound, it's going to be really hard for students to blend those letter sounds together to spell the word cat. It is the exact same thing with math facts. If students don't understand that 2 times 2 equals 4, they're going to have a really hard time with multi-digit multiplication, long division, and if they don't understand base 10 and how that works, then they're really going to struggle when they get to concepts like decimals and exponents. So basically, having math fact fluency allows for students to lay that foundational groundwork, and they save a ton of time and stress and cognitive load and energy so that they don't have to worry about solving those problems every time they're doing something like long division. Okay, I went a few seconds over. Darn, I'm really trying to keep it under a minute here. But yeah, let me know. Do you like this format of keeping it under a minute, or do you want some more content? Let me know. I do have a podcast episode from the Learning to Love Math podcast that goes a little more into this, as well as a blog post that really dives deep. So I'm going to link both of those in the video description for this YouTube channel below. If you've liked what you've learned so far, feel free to hit that like button and click subscribe. And click that little bell if you do subscribe so that you never miss notification of a new video. Whether you subscribe or not, I want to give you a gift for tuning in this whole time. I appreciate it. I have a free multiplication table chart printable PDF that you can get absolutely for free by clicking on the little link in the description below and entering your name and email. That will get you on my weekly Math Minute PD. I swear this PD doesn't suck, okay? It's for teachers by teachers, where I send you stuff like my podcast, like the YouTube channel, and other people's resources as well as I find them. And you'll get a ton of free stuff, not just sales emails. Of course, I will also let you know every time there's a sale going on in my store, or when there's a resource that I'm just so proud of that I know will help you. Now that you probably know what math fact fluency is and why it's so important, the next big question is, how do you acquire math fact fluency? Well, the big answer to that one is practice. So in the next video, you're going to learn how to practice math fact fluency and then eventually how you arrive. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and even if you're not subscribed, be sure to check it out in the next video. It's going to help you out so much in your classroom.